Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. And today I will be drawing a bird. I will gift that drawing to my friend. And I am drawing a very simple drawing because I don't have much time. I just have 1 hour. Within that I have to get ready and go to her house too. So I don't have much time. There is a story behind that draw, and to know it was till the end. So Dila Nagari, we will start painting that. See you. So I just completed painting the board. I know it's very simple, but it has a story behind. The thing is, मेरो साथीले एउटा बर्ड पालेको थियो फ्रम भेरी बिगिनिङ when it was a little baby, and she lived with that bird named Chintu for 4 years, and he died recently. Today I will be going to her house on very special occasion, which I will be saying in my next vlog. म चाहिँ उसको घर जान लागेको, अनि यो ऊ त्यो चिन्टु बितिसकेको कारणले पनि उसको लागि भेरी स्पेसल हुनेछ, आई नो द्याट। एन्ड टु सी हर रियाक्सन यु हेभ टु सी माई नेक्स्ट ब्लग, जहाँ चाहिँ म उसको घर गएको, अनि आई मिन त्यहाँ अलिक डिफ्रेन्ट एउटा समथिङ अकेजन छ, त्यसको लागि म जाँदैछु। सो वेट फर माई नेक्स्ट भिडियो, अनि आई होप यु लाइक द पेन्टिङ, अनि या द्याट्स मच फर टुडेज भिडियो। सी यु इन माई नेक्स्ट भिडियो। अनि उसको रियाक्सन हेर्नको लागि प्लिज 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 सब्सक्राइब माई च्यानल एन्ड do follow my new updates on my channel. Yeah, that's much for today's video. Bye bye, see you later.